Ding dong, express delivery. Look at the size of this box we have got. The sneaker unboxing of sneaker unboxings. Hi, my name is Mr. B. This is Pint of Stuff. We're going to come right back at you with yet another sneaker unboxing. There is, as you can probably tell, more than one pair of shoes in here. Not actually quite sure what we've got in here because we've got a few shoes on the way. So we are going to go and we are going to speed up about now. Whew. So that was 3 boxes, but we're actually going to do one of the 3, and SJ is going to be surprised at what I'm going to pick because I've decided the other 2 we've actually got the same pair of, and I think we need to unbox them together side by side in a unusual move. So what we've got, everyone, we have got a Nike SB Dunk Mid Pro ISO, and as you can tell, look, their orange label, they're a UK 11, that makes them a US 12. They're CV 4283001. What may they be, you might ask? I wonder. Oh, right, so we all know the orange label leather is to die for. These look a bit special. Oh my word. So we've got the orange label Black Cat. Ding dong, as somebody else on YouTube might say. Look at that. Look at it. So you all know that I love a mid. I'm absolutely obsessed by dunk mids. And this is my first look. Oh, wow. Oh, right. The leather on them is so silky. Oh, I don't know how Nike do it. I don't know how SB do it at all. I'm just pulling these back so we can have a proper look at them, because the leather feels stupendous. Now, if I was SJ, I'd be saying to myself, it's going to rain a lot in the winter. I love wearing a blazer. A leather blazer in the winter in this material is going to be the perfect winter blazer shoe. Not suede, leather. Right, so first of all, we're going to go into the old camera 2 and we're going to bring it right in close and we're going to spin. Oh my word, people, if you've not looked at these, if you've not picked them up, so good. Right, I know everyone's just going to go, it's just a black shoe, but oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't do the colors. I'm going to read you the colors, everyone, just in case it's not just black. So 1 second. And the colors are black, grey, black, white, or en français, noir, blanc, gris, fond. Okay, that would make no sense. But like just have a look. So we're going to go in, right? So what was I saying? I was saying, like, they're all black, grey swoosh there. You've got the orange label. I'm going to come right in. Can SJ focus on that? The orange label aglet. And I got that right, everyone. I got that right. Orange label aglet. Now, this is the grey, it's sort of about this weird grey. Like, it's grey swoosh here. Now that, it's all the same leather. It's such quality leather. Quick ping at the sole. You got traditional dunk sole, black and silver. We're going to go and have a look at under the other camera that's not as quite as bright, just in case we get a different kind of view. And yeah, you get a different view. It's not the best, so we'll come back to the main camera, I think, so I can show you all of that. Just have a look. Oh my word. I can see how these are going to be, like, we're going to bring that right in, I think. Oh, you've got just the orange swoosh there. I'm going to bring it in really close, SJ. Can you focus on that? I'm just going to turn it slightly to the light so you can see the Nike SB there. That is so good. You've got that Nike SB for sure. It looks really good. They're a really quality pair of dunk mids. Really quality. And we're just going to spin it around so you can see all again. It is by far the best quality leather that you're going to get out there on SBs. And I actually think on most Nikes. I think that completely. I genuinely think SB with the orange label are absolutely killing it. They're absolutely killing it with the materials. So good, so good. And like, we're just gonna have a little look on the insole. We're gonna pull the paper. Now, SJ, which camera do you think I should go to? This one. Okay, so just I've got, no, you can't really see it there. We're gonna risk the other camera because it's a brighter light. Ah, there we go. Look at that.
That one's got the sticker in it.
I know. SJ's telling me it's got the sticker in it. I know that. It's more that I just wanted you to all see that it's got that orange label in there. And so if we look at these, in fact, let's have a look, quick flick over onto the other shoe for the alternate laces. White laces. What do we think, SJ? SJ's giving me the nod. Nah, she's not sure. She's not sure. I'm not sure either. I don't think I'd swap white into that. I think the white is too harsh. If they'd have done a grey lace, like the swoosh, like, let's bring that right in. A grey lace like that swoosh there, I think that they would have been really nice. But we're stuck with white. So what do you all think? Let us know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed by now, go and do that. Don't forget to like this video or dislike it. And about now, I think we're going to see a cinematic on foot. So you might as well go and have a look at that. Pew! Like that. That was a bit of a tricky on foot cinematic thing to capture. It was so bright when we filmed that the black cat orange label, as you can see here, this is so hard to film in sunlight or darkness. There was one or the other. We didn't really have much of a choice, but I think when I look at these and I look at them and I think this is a solid orange label. This is like a dunk mid. We don't get enough dunk mids as it is. The materials on it are absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if that came across on the Onfoot. So we're going to have a quick flick back to the other camera over here because I want to just show you, just like, can you really see the leather there? Look at how nice that is. It is stupendous. It's absolutely the soft. I don't know whether that's going to come across. Let's try a less bright camera, SJ. Yeah, we good? We're good. So it's a bit brighter. There we go. Maybe not. Maybe not. It's tricky. We'll go back to the middle one. Right, so we're going to go back there. And I'm going to just sort of push it. Like, this is so soft. Like, look at it bounce. Like, look. Apparently, I've got to lift it higher. You not know how hard that is to do after having doing a weight session today. And a body lifting session. But like, look at it. Look at it. It is so good. It's so good. But there's something else I wanted to show you. And I'm going to have to probably go over to this camera over here, because I actually want to show you the inner sole. Because I think if we bring that up there, you can see that. So on earlier orange label, the orange label was actually stitched in. And on this one, it's sort of printed on. So that's actually going to come off, but I was just a minor detail, that's all, you know, minor detail. But I was just thinking that it's these are going to be the perfect winter dunk. They are going to be, you know, they're leather, they're gonna take a proper beating, and if you are going to skate them, I think that these will last you up really well. Now, if you're not sure what we do around here, just in case, just as a reminder, we do these unboxings with those cinematic on foot things. So don't forget to give us a like if you like it. Give us a thumbs down if you don't like it. That's all cool. Now, there will be, on this side, there will be a bunch of other videos that will come up. There should hopefully be some other dunks. There'll be some blazers. There'll be other bits and pieces for you to go and watch. So go and watch that when we get to the end of the video. Now, of course, it doesn't get to the end of a type of video without me saying, did you manage to pick these up? Did you pick this bad boy up? If you did, leave us a comment below. Did you manage to get the blazer or is there a Bruin SJ? Yeah, it's a Bruin. SJ's giving me the nods from behind the camera. Did you get the Bruin of these? We're really intrigued by the Bruin profile at the moment, and there will be a video coming for another type of Bruin very shortly from SJ. But yeah, go and watch one of those videos. No, genuinely, go and watch one of those videos now. That'd be great.